Morning, dear students. Listen carefully. This is the part 2 explanation of chapter number 17, Nandita in Mumbai. Now, without wasting our time, we should start the chapter. The heading is Water, Water. Mommy Seema and I get up at 4 o'clock every morning and go to the public tap to fill water. Oh no, you won't believe how many fights there are for water. If we are just a little late, then we are not able to fill water for the day. There is no tap in our house, in the village too. The pond in the village has water. It takes 20 minutes to walk to it. In summer, sometimes the water in the pond dries up. Then we have to walk for almost 1 hour to the river to get water. But in the village, there were no fights for the water. In the street where Mama lives, there is a toilet at one end. Everyone is the street uses that toilet. It was very difficult to smell so bad and smell so bad. At first, it used to make me want to vomit. At times, there is no water. We We have to take water with us. Now I am getting used to all this. In the village, people got to the open places or field for toilet. The men and women got to go to different places. Here, Nandita is describing the problem of water in Mumbai. You know, dear students, that there is so many problem of water in the Mumbai. When the water come in the public tap, the water tank or the water tanker comes anytime in the society, there is too much rush in the nearby and everyone wanted to take the water first. Sometime people starts fighting for taking the water, and the Nandita feed this is very strange because she is telling in her village people get water from the pond and there is no fighting for the water. Here she is talking about the toilet. She is telling that the public toilet was so much dirty and sometimes there is no water in the toilet. But she is telling about her village that the people go to the open places or field for the toilet and the men and women go to the different places. So here she described the problem of water and toilet. Now, the next heading is learning new things. Every day, I go to the hospital by bus to see my mother. At first, I was too scared to get into such crowded buses because you know that the buses and trains all are so much crowded in Mumbai. It was not at all used to it. This is very difficult to travel in Mumbai. She's telling, I was afraid, but now it is not like that. I know how to stand in line, how much to pay for the ticket, where to get down, where we stay. There is a tall building nearby. My mommy works in 7 houses there. She washes utensils and cleans the houses. One day I went there with her. When I first saw the building, I thought that it was one big house, but I found that there were many houses, one on top of another. I was wondering how I would climb so many stairs, but there was a lift to take people up and down. Dear students, do you know that lift is a very big iron cage? There is the facility of light, fan, bell. People go up and down just by pushing a button. It was like a big iron cage with fan and light and even a bell. So many of us got into the lift. Somebody pressed the button and lift went up quickly. To tell you the truth, I was very scared in the beginning. So, dear students, this was the second part of the chapter. We will meet in the third part of the chapter. Listen carefully and try to understand. Good day.